Alrighty, let's see what we are going to create today. You see, its effect is nice and I hope you like it. Let's try to create that. At first, you need to add a new slide. In new slide, you need to create these rectangles. So how we can create them? At first, I'm going to add one here. You see, but it's better to size is be bigger. And here. And here. Then I create a copy of that. Then rotate it like this. And add it to the empty space. Like this. And select all of them, set the shape outline to none. You see we have some fur that are white. We need to fill them. Then select all of them and I'm going to take the shape color to white and I'm going to format the background to the black for all of the slides. And let me just copy the text. This text come here and in the color of the black. Then I copy the slide. Bring this down. Bring these things up. And bring these things down. And copy the text that I have here. And just simply color it white. And set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look. Your amazing slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.